Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to verify Wix website on Google Search Console. So first of all, log into this Google Search Console and go to the Search Console, search.google.com, right here, search.google.com, slash search console. And then basically tap right here to go and basically add property. Click add property to and enter your Wix website URL, and then select the HTML tag or Google Analytics method, and then copy the provided HTML tag, log into your Wix Wix account, and then go to the site settings, and then SEO or Google, and then paste that tag into the header code section, and then return to the Google Search Console and click verify. Your Wix website will be verified with Google Search Console. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video I upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.